Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a high-grade Gundam Heavyarms, and on today's video I'm going to build this. As a kid, I grew up watching Gundam Wing series, so it has a special place in my heart. A few years back when I learned that Bandai is redoing mobile suits from the Gundam Wing series, I was really happy and patiently waited for Heavyarms and Death Sight, which are my favorite mobile suits. Now, having built this kit, I was happy but did feel a little disappointed. Building this kit was simple and easy, as expected from the Bandai kit. Parts came out of the sprues easy and cleaning was simple. Parts fit together without any issues, and I was able to finish this out of box build in less than an hour. Here's what the finished kit looks like, built straight out of the box without any stickers. Even without painting, it looks great, unlike an old HGAC kit. It has more modern proportions, yet it still retains an anime-like look, which I really like. Except for the head, it looks really squashed. I painted this kit using acrylic paints from Badger and Tamiya. Some of the joints are from the older high-grade kit, so there were a bit of a scraping issues, which I found out after painting. But overall, the color separation was good enough that painting was really easy. A few parts on the chest pieces needed some masking, but that was about it. As usual, I painted using the highlight method. I painted with the darker color as a base color, and applying a lighter color over the base color created a shaded look. For red and yellow, I use a different approach. The red and yellow are difficult to paint because they are very opaque and base color will affect how the main color will come out. For this kit, I painted the part that needed to be painted red or yellow in grayscale first. After that, I sprayed a few coats of red or yellow over the grayscale. As the paint dried, part of the darker base color came out dark and the lighter base color came out lighter, which created the desired shaded effect I wanted. For small details such as an eyepiece, I hand brushed them using Vallejo Acrylic paint, followed by panel lining using a Tamiya Panel Liner. For weathering, I kept it simple. I used a sponge stick to lightly dab some gray acrylic paint, which created a chipping effect. And I used Tamiya Weathering Master for some stains here and there. And once everything was done, I sealed it using Vallejo varnish. And here is a finished kit. As I mentioned, this kit looks great due to its great proportions. I think Bandai did a great job with this kit, keeping it simple, cheap, easy to build while adding some simple yet awesome details and gimmicks. Except for this kit can't base the arm very well. Yeah, this is all the way. This caused few problems while making some dynamic poses. Still, this kit got some great presence as it sits on my shelf in a static pose. So, despite its one major flaw, I highly recommend this kit. Thank you for watching this video. I'll put a link down below where you can find more pictures. Please hit the like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.